Hello and welcome to Delectable Flavors. Today I'll be showing you a recipe on how you can make donut sprinkles. For this recipe you will need vegan royal icing, and I've left a link in the description box as well as on the top of your screen on how you can make it. I've also left a link in the description box on how you can make your own sprinkles that look like this. Make sure you look at that video as well. To make these donut sprinkles you will need some Oreo cereal or Cheerios. The only main difference is in size. So what you'll first want to do is get your royal icing and pipe out a base. You're just going to want to pipe a really random circle. And then if you want, you can use your fingers to smush it, or you can use a towel paper. I would recommend using your fingers, but first starting off with the towel paper just in case your hands are too hot. If your hands aren't that hot, I would recommend using your fingers. So you're just going to want to smush it. In the end, you'll have to use a toothpick or your finger because a towel paper does leave these dot design. You can use a towel paper if that's the design you're going for. Now after your first base, you can see accordingly on how much more icing you'll need or how high you want to keep it. I'm going to keep it at this ratio, which is 2 Oreo and then 1 part icing for the top. Now make sure every single portion is covered. So to add sprinkles, you need another color and just need to pipe out dots or lines, like so. You're just going to pipe dots. Add more sprinkles accordingly. I'm going to fill this donut with sprinkles. Here you can see my finished donut. The third method is a drizzle on top of the glaze, and I'll show this to you both on the Cheerio and on the Oreo cereal. So first, what you're going to do is get another color, not the same color as your glaze, and you're going to pipe 1 line. And you're going to curve it to the bottom so it sticks onto the glaze. Then you're going to go from this side and make an angle so it touches this. And then you're going to do it once more. And then the last glaze. And there you have it. It's like a little M, but it looks like a very beautiful glaze. And this can be also done on the Cheerio, and I'll show you how. So with the Cheerio, I'm also going to use pink because I have a blue glaze on here. And then, this is so small, so I need to hold it very tightly. Draw another line. And there you also have a glaze, except on this one, it's more of an N instead of an M. So you can do a glaze on both of the Cheerio and the Oreo. The Cheerio is really easy to make a regular glaze, it's just the Oreo is easier to get more detail on it. For the fourth method, I'll be using an Oreo because it's easier to see. And for the fourth method, you will need 2 colors of your choice. I'm going to be using pink and green. And what you're going to do is you're going to draw 5 lines that are distant from each other using 1 color. So first what I'm going to do is pipe 1 line here. I'm going to rotate it, pipe another line, rotate, pipe, rotate, pipe, and then 1 more. I'm going to fit right there. Now I'm going to get the green, and I'm going to pipe in the empty space. 1 line there, 1 line there, 1 line there, and keep the process. If you have a bigger gap, you can always add just 1 more string of pink, like so, and I'm just going to add a pink line in the middle. And you're going to lightly press on the royal icing until you get that desired look. Keep pressing, but make sure not to press too hard, otherwise the colors will mix into each other. And there you have it. That's the striped glazed donut. You can do this with 2 or 3 colors. First, make lines using your one color. Leave a gap. Then get your next color and pipe the lines as well in the gaps. And then just press on the sides because the sides do not look like they're on the donut. And that's it. There's your 5th striped design. Now I'll be working on the rest of my donuts. I have just finished decorating all my cereal pieces and have finished my donuts. If you did like this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for a new recipe every Thursday. Till then, bye!